You can't really see much actually, but that's Jersey in front with the northeast Minkies buoy up out here. If I can hold one hand and hold on to the other. Yeah. And then I just saw a dolphin. Well, I saw shoulder dolphins earlier, and then I saw one dolphin, or two dolphins right near. They were definitely fishing. Is they came right near and didn't bother even saying hello. So I'm sailing for a bit now. About to have my quiet time. It's about 8 in the morning. Going back to Jersey to pick Jim up. It's rather nice, isn't it? It's perfect, actually. Yeah, just want to say thank you, big thank you to God, giving me a bit of time and space. And I think I woke up this morning, sort of not needing forgiveness and just being happy. Just being happy to be out in his world. So, thank you. I wish Daniel you could enjoy it with me. Hopefully Austin might come for a sail. It is truly brilliant, isn't it? Thanks Tess for last week, and for Tom, and for Luke, and for Beth. Oh, that's the Chausey behind us, by the way, where you were. Yeah, pretty good. Will gives another dolphin feather. I know Luke would like one. I'll have a little play with that sail in a minute. I'm afraid for you now. No, it's not love.